How to fix Google Assistant not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if your Google Assistant or Hey Google is not working. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, your Google Assistant could not be working because you have simply turned it off. In order to turn on Google Assistant, just go ahead and then launch the Google application. Once you launch the Google app, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here you want to go ahead and select settings. Once you select settings, you'll see all sorts of options. Just go to the one that says Google Assistant. And as you go to Google Assistant, again you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Over here you simply have to look for the option called General. So as you can see over here, it says General. Manage general settings for your assistant. You just tap on it. As you tap on it, right over there you can see Google Assistant. So you want to make sure to simply turn this toggle on. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue. If it is turned off, it is going to be grayed out. So as you can see, now I have turned on Google Assistant. Now whenever I say Hey Google or Okay Google, my Google Assistant is simply going to open up, as you can see, just like this. And this is how you can fix if your Google Assistant or your Hey Google is not working. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.